there are levels to this defensive shit.
Sensation.
And let's keep us on that song. Sounds I'm sweating. You will come here. I want to touch him. What? I want to touch him.
You want to touch lion? See, I said this life after you.
I swear to God.
Purchase your tracks today.
We are in the beach currently. It is, I don't have no time. Okay, this is 9:56. It's almost 10. The beach isn't even open. They just allowed us come in. I came to distress. I've been tired for a long time. And now we are here. So, yay! I'm about to enter the water, man.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Sensation.
Purchase your tracks today.
No. No, shake it. I don't record now. Record waiting. They play.
If I say, I know say this like in cage go hula.
Yeah. But bro, what do you
eye?
I see.
The guy just look. Until that nigga lock up.
I swear.
Boy, I need to make this nigga escape now. Also go home too. You know, go even pursue anybody else. No.
Like you have. Nalala baby. You can pass here.
Okay, so wait. The cage strong, Abi. Yeah. Mama na Lee, I know they fear you, G. So nothing goes up, Abi. You sure, Abi? You get anything I never do for this life.
Comment dire?
No, go out of sight, out of sight, out of sight, out of sight, out of sight. This anything is so I volunteer association to be sacrificed. Yeah, this year. How this year come?
You see the vlog, you fear, you vlog.
I don't vlog the sweet video. see, fuck it. We bow. Inside we go five, but something is still alive. No! What?
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, it's the new day. Today is Wednesday. I am home. I didn't do anything else yesterday because my friends left actually. Frank left around I think 2 p.m. Melody left in the morning. So I want to make pasta because I'm hungry. I didn't eat dinner last night. I had pizza around like I think 6 or so. But that was it. So I want to get an actual meal. I want to make pasta. I have chicken breast, so I'm just gonna make something and eat before I starve. So yeah. I also bought avocados from Glovo. It's very fresh. I think I'm gonna get my vegetables and all from Glovo now because they haven't let me down. So this is nice. So yeah. Hi. So the initial plan yesterday night was to sleep early. I was supposed to sleep by like I think 9 because I was feeling very sleepy. Like really sleepy. I'm not even kidding. But I started doing laundry at night. Then while I was doing laundry, I started craving snack. So I took biscuits and I took sugar. And sleep vanished. And I found myself sleeping around 1 a.m. I'm not even kidding. I was supposed to wake up early this morning, then go for a walk. Like an hour walk I normally take. Then come back and do pancakes. I'm just waking up. I just left that bed 30 minutes ago. I'm just waking up. So I'm going to just keep the walk and make pancakes. So I'm going to go and make pancakes now. Yeah. I'm not going anywhere today actually. I don't have anything planned for today. I'm going to make pancakes. I think for lunch I'll have afang. I have afang in the fridge. Shout out to my auntie. She got it for me. For dinner, probably make a salad or something. I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm really excited because towards the end of the video, I'm gonna like show the fashion house and everything that was accomplished. Yeah, I think one of the reasons why I vanished, should I use the word vanished from the internet for a while, was because I haven't done this kind of thing before. You know, have an actual fashion brand, not even a fashion house, and I think to an extent everything just felt overwhelming, but I didn't know everything felt overwhelming. I just saw it as, oh, I'm tired, you know, and I started getting depressed towards a certain time. I'm fine now. If my mom, if you're saying this, I'm fine. Aunt, if you're saying this, I'm fine. Sylvie, if you're saying this, I'm fine. But I was getting very depressed, and I remember I would cry at nights. I would have my lips quiver. I couldn't function properly. Everything just felt like work. You know, as someone who does things because they are fun to do, I found myself losing that kind of enthusiasm. Everything just felt like actual chores. And I didn't really fuck with that kind of energy. So it got so bad that my lip started quivering. And that shit has only happened to me like 3 times in my life. First time was in my I think my 300 level of university. Second time was my finals. And then now. And it was scary because I thought it was like this there's this disease that like affects like I think called cerebral palsy or something. So I was very, very scared because it just kept vibrating and twitching. I was like, God, I'm so terrified. So I read about it and I realized that it was stress, and I found out that the only way to actually make it stop was to calm my mind. Basically, I would have to like make everywhere go quiet for like a minute, and then it would stop. So it was very bad. I was really, really in a very dark place. But I'm fine now. I'm better. I'm honestly so better. One of the reasons why I went to the beach at the beginning of this vlog was because I needed that reset, basically. And I want to say thank you to Sunto, thank you to Melody, thank you to FCG as a whole, thank you to my auntie, thank you to Sylvie, thank you to a lot of my homegirls, man, because I feel like they helped me move past this. I didn't even know they were doing it. They just helped to as much as they can. So I'm better now. And yeah, I love you all. Thank you for waiting, basically. And please enjoy the vlog. I'm gonna make breakfast. Bye.
Nah, you too, bro.
Disfrutando de todas esas cosas que extrañan los que se van. Disfrutando de noches de esas que ya no se dan. Que ya no se dan. Pero queriendo volver a la última vez. Ya los ojos te miré y contarte las cosas que no te conté.
Clean, man, shit. Man, we up. We up, nigga. Got this kid here.
Ey, tengo el pecho pelado, me dio una mata. El corazón dándome pata. Dime, baby, ¿dónde tú estás? Pa' llegarle con roro